Okay, what I'd like to show you here is a plunge lock solution that I came up with for the DeWalt cordless router. I have the DeWalt DCW600 series router in the plunge base here, and I have it mounted using my adapter to let me use the DeWalt router with the Festool LR32 system. But what I want to show you is this, and that is this device right here, which lets you disengage the plunge lock so that you don't have to hold that lever down. So now when you want to go and drill your series of shelf pin holes, you don't have to hold that lever down. You can put your hand right up here on top of the router, press it down, bore your hole, release, move to the next one. Just that easy. When you want to restore the plunge lock, just press the lever down, it disengages, and you're back to original functionality. So just put that down, engage the lock, push it down again to release the lock. That's all there is to it. You remove this one handle off the plunge base and install my plunge lock under there. I give you a longer bolt so you can secure the handle on there, and that's all there is to it. You need a 6mm Allen wrench, and in 2 minutes you will have this capability on your DeWalt router in the plunge base. Thanks for watching.